So now let's see how we can go ahead and create out HTML animations using DeepSeek. So to go ahead and do that in DeepSeek, what you can also do is, let's say for example, say something like generate a HTML animation where a square box is rotating and square box is rotating and a text is bouncing around the screen. So if I were to go ahead and do that and then hit the send button, then what happens is that it'll simply go ahead and generate out the HTML animation. So you can see that that is what you have. So it's certainly below is an example of an HTML animation right there, just like that. And you can see that it simply generates out a code based on the prompt that I gave right here. So you can see that it adds in keyframes and everything right here, all the animations, and then simply goes around and generates this. So let's just go ahead and run this HTML just like this, as you can see, and there's a square box that's rotating, and you can see that there is a bouncing text right there, just like that. And that is simply how you can go ahead and generate out HTML animations inside of DeepSeek. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.